Welcome to another edition of the mighty Sutphen here at the tailboard. A couple projects today. We've made a new compartment floor liner, for lack of a better way to describe it, which was kind of the thing back in the day before dry deck. And we had one that was in pretty rough shape, so we've rebuilt it. I want to address maybe a couple things in that compartment, and then we're going to take this beast out on the road. Thanks. This is our compartment floor made from oak. It was in rough shape, I think, because of a leaky a gasket around a light, and but saved the one piece with the Sutphen serial number on it. New top decking on it. We've got her nailed in, and one coat of urethane on the bottom. Let's put a coat of polyurethane on the top side. I'm gonna let that flash, put another coat on, and then let that sit for a couple days, and it'll be ready by next weekend. Gang, we're replacing the bolts in the bottom of the compartment so they all match. That's kind of important to me, if you know me. My little trick, if you're a one-man show, is trying to start a bolt that you can't get to both sides at the same time. You lay a hammer on it so you can get the bolt or the nut started on the bottom. But that's my little trick. Yeah, my yoga mat. This is kind of my kind of yoga, but I wanted to show you underneath how this is constructed. So there's angle iron underneath each compartment with a gusseted bracket. So one thing I think they did back then, and probably still do, that makes these compartments strong and hold the ability to hold a lot of equipment, is the support underneath, which I don't think all the manufacturers did back in the day. All right, let's get her tightened down. I'm not totally sure that the leak wasn't coming through the step. So I'm gonna have a bunch of grommets, and this is my idea. These are actually grommets for electrical wire, but I cut one in half. So I'm gonna put it on the outside behind the step and on the inside behind the washer. And my plan is to make that a watertight attachment. I'm also going to use stainless bolts because whoever put these on after it was built used steel bolts. I don't like that. There's another step on the driver's side of the truck, and I thought that someday someone else is going to be working on this truck, and they're going to say, why did he fix one side but not the other? And why did he put rusty acorn nuts back on when he has a drawer full of brand new chrome ones? So those that know me know that I ask myself those things. And so there we are, both sides fixed, new chrome acorn nuts. Another project we started today was to fix one of the portable telelight ground lights that we have. Problem: stainless screws into aluminum housing, not good. So this light is made so that as you tighten it down, it pulls the cover closer on a rubber gasket, or tighter on the housing. So one side had come off. The screw was galled into the aluminum housing, so it took some vice grips and a little bit of persuasion to get that out, and same thing on the other side. In fact, one of these sides I had to go inside and thread the stainless screw into the housing to get it out. But I put some never sees on, some new new screws.